Welcome to the 5 links video course. Today it's all about tips and tricks. But first, how was the audio improving? Was it fun? I hope. And did you hear a difference? I hope as well. With this lesson, we close the chapter of audio. Let's jump directly into the links and the videos from other professionals. And link number 4 and 5 has a lot of other links to other sources. I encourage you to check them out. It's worth it. And there are a lot of links in the section additional links. It's all for you. Some tips and tricks are mentioned several times throughout this video, but it's better to hear them doubled or dribbled than... Anyway, the links are just for you. As always, in the description of this video, you find your 5 links to learn some audio related tips and tricks. Also, your task for this lesson is mentioned in the description. Apply the tips and tricks you find helpful to work with. Practice them with the equipment you have. Let me know in the comments what tips and tricks you find helpful. Looking forward to enter a new subject with you in the next lesson. It is another exciting topic. It is lighting. Feel free to put any question or comment in the comment section. Please share and like this video, and see you later, and please do the task. Have fun with the tips and tricks. Yeah, I like these tips and tricks. They are cool. Maybe some tips are more often than only 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. But anyway, then it's better to remember and you can use them and learn from them. Yes, great. I think that's it